Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm one ticked off dude right now. So this is what I call Orion's belt. 3 nice dings right in a row from over at Costco. So basically, it was a windy day, and people were letting their shopping carts do whatever they wanted and not putting them away. And so I even tried to park in the back away from everybody where nothing would happen, and sure enough, didn't avoid it. So all I can say is I'm glad that it wasn't the Cobra, and this is why I don't drive and park the Cobra at shopping centers. It's nice to at least know that the Cobra is good, but this is going to, we're going to try to take this out with what they call a paintless dent removal. There's a service that specializes in this. So I called them. They were very responsive, very nice. They said it's going to be about $200. And they are pretty sure they'll be able to get those out. And I've seen some good results with that in the past. So I'll keep you guys updated and show you the before and after and how it all turns out. They won't be able to get me until the 5th of May. So, I mean, that's just everybody's far out on everything. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little something to look at here on your nice weekend, and try not to let this ruin mine. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're already following, make sure the bells are on so you can not miss out on any videos like this.